Hi there, welcome back to Nature Series. Oh, it's so rainy today, but today we're outside our house on our green. Look, here's our green right here. Look. Look. Here's all the autumn leaves.
Trees are looking quite bare now.
Yeah, the trees are looking quite bare now because it's winter now.
Gonna hold it up.
It was autumn last season. Now it's winter. Ooh. Okay, so look. Hold it up. Here's our green.
It's very windy. Nearly blowing our umbrella away.
This is nearly thrown our umbrella away.
Right.
Yeah, maybe we should turn
Loop
right.
around the green for you today, guys.
We'll just loop it around the green for you today, guys.
Ooh. Holy moly. What do you think of the weather today?
It's really,
Turn right.
it's really windy.
Yeah.
Really rainy today, guys.
Ooh. Not the best day for a video because we don't want our tablet to get wet.
Yeah, don't want our tablet to get wet.
So that's why we're doing a short one.
And now, back towards home.
Back towards home.
Back towards home.
I'm going to show the guys the green again. Or that nice tree.
We're in that nice tree. There's even a swing here.
It's a bit wet today.
But it's a bit wet though.
It's a bit.
Maybe you'll come back in the summer.
Or another day when it's not raining.
Or another day when it's not raining.
Because technology and rain are not a good mix, are they?
Okay. To get out of here because my tablet will get wet in the rain.
Yeah. Yeah, the rain's even coming into our umbrella.
Yeah.
Cheeky.
Go into the umbrella. How on earth?
How on earth is it coming into the umbrella? Good
Yeah.
question.
How on
Jump over
earth
this
is
puddle,
it
hold
going
your
into
tablet.
the umbrella? Oh.
Hold it up, pop it.
Okay. Okay. Now.
Okay, we're back now.
Okay. Okay, we're back home now.
So see you later, guys.
See you later, guys. See you later.